I want to talk about this beef tallow that Samar Spice sent me to do a video on. I am a big believer in cooking or baking or pretty much anything with beef tallow. This stuff right here, 100% grass-fed beef from grass-fed cows. You can see right there, I'm a big proponent of this. You also get a nice little handy little spoon for scooping it out, which is amazing. And tonight, what I'm doing, my favorite way to use tallow is in frying my steak. We're having some venison right there. It's all seasoned up, black pepper, garlic pepper, and salt. And it's easy. You're going to take some tallow, put it in, enough that it's going to cover the bottom of the pan, get a little bit of heat in there, and this stuff melts rather quickly. You can see right there, after 2 minutes or so, drop the steaks in, and that's what you want. You want to hear that sizzle. This is so much better than using something like a vegetable oil or grapeseed oil or something like that. You can see right there the sear that you get with this. Looks absolutely fantastic, delicious. Flip it over, give it a couple minutes, and it's done. These are rather thin steaks, so they cooked rather quickly, but you can see right there, you get an amazing crust on it. I love the flavor that you get out of the tallow, and additionally, you see all that stuff left there in the pan. With that tallow, I'm going to add a little bit of cream and some butter and just let it reduce a little bit. I'm going to get an absolutely phenomenal sauce. This is my kid's favorite way to eat steak whenever I pan fry anything. You see right there the finished product. Absolutely delicious. So if you're a big fan of increasing the flavors of your meals and getting away from seed oils as much as you possibly can, definitely give this a try. I'm a big fan for sure. If you'd like to pick up some for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.